Lots of cats, I like it. Look at that. The steepest hill, Loreto. It's got a really nice sunset though. See the parroquia church? It'll really maybe another. Oh, it's gonna be cloudy. It ain't really sunset. Oh my gosh. Those brakes are working overtime. What we're gonna do is walk down to Central. Not really sure where I want to go. I need to go to the bank, get some cash, and grocery shopping, but I think a lot of the stores by the market are closed right now, but we'll see. And then find some street food for dinner. Taxis are about 80 pesos normally within the general confines of the town. Look at that. This is kind of ridiculous. That looks like a very expensive hotel. That's above my budget. We're on the street food tour and pet sitting tour and walking for fun tour. That's my entertainment. Man, if you visit, make sure you get some nice walking shoes, maybe even some like ankle support shoes. I'm just wearing normal tennis shoes, but it's working fine. But see if the church comes through. If I can focus on it. There it is. I'm gonna skip past these folks, go down.